So here we will have to simplify the given logarithmic expression 3 times log of 5 to the base of 2 plus log of 10 to the base of 2 minus log of 625 with the base of 2. So let us begin. First, we will rewrite the given expression. For the first term, we are going to use a property that if we have a times log of b, this is the same as log of b whole raised to the power of a. So that means we have log of 5 cubed with the base of 2 plus log of 10 with the base of 2 minus log of, we have 625. So that will be 5 raised to the power of 4. Now we can combine the first term and the second term using the property that log of a plus log of b, so that is equals to log of a times b. So that means we will get log of 5 cubed times 10 with a base of 2 minus log of 5 raised to the power of 4 with a base of 2. Now we have two logarithms and they can also be combined using the property log of a minus log of b, which is equivalent to log of a over b. So that means we have log of 5 cubed times 10 divided by 5 raised to the power of 4 with a base of 2. So let's combine them. So we have log of, so we have 5 cube cancelling out from the numerator in the denominator. So that gives it 5 in the denominator. We have 10 over 5, which is 2. So that means we have log of 2 to the base of 2. And whenever this is the criterion, so what we are doing here is we have log of a to the base of a, and this value is always equals to 1. So that means our final value will be equals to 1.